Good morning and welcome. Dilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Originally from Birmingham, 35, 36, 37 years ago. Been in Australia a long time. But lots of people say I still have my accent from when I lived in the UK. So don't get confused, I am not fully Aussie accent, even though this is definitely my home here in Australia. Okie doke, I'm going to do hopefully a very quick and simple pour for you today. So we'll get down and get busy and get dirty in paint. Okay, I was asked by somebody, have you ever swiped with the silicone drawer liner? This is what these are. You buy these in a roll to line drawers with, your closet or your cupboard, so when you put things on them they don't slip and blah blah blah. Somebody said, have you done a swipe with these? I said, no, I haven't. I've done a swipe with so many things, but I haven't done a swipe with drawer liners. So here we go. I'm going to attempt a swipe with a drawer liner. This was a previously used canvas that I've washed off because I didn't like I was trying for a certain effect and I didn't get it, so I've pushed it off. So I've got some lovely colours here and I'm going to attempt this swipe with the drawer liner. Okay, let's get into this. So I'm just pouring my canvas with the white. And I will give it a spread over with the offset spatula. So just nice, quick and easy. I'll worry about the edges after. Or you can just do them quickly with your fingers. It's absolutely fine to rub your hands in the paint and rub your hands around the side. At the moment, I'm not going to do that because I'm hoping to swipe enough paint over the edge to use that paint. But we'll just go from here. I love those offset spatulas for swiping and for spreading. They're great. Okie doke, so that's the first one. I am going to use up a little bit of this. This was the cool blue, but I added metallic gold to it, so it's got this absolutely gorgeous shimmer. So that is really sparkly. And then I have turquoise. I've got a frog in the throat. The turquoise. I am going to add, this was mostly metallic gold and I just added some of the cool blue. So it's really, it's just gorgeous. It's like a bluey gold, but a greeny bluey gold, I suppose. But it's really sparkly and it's really lovely. So it's worth giving that one a try if you haven't tried mixing your cool blue with gold. Mostly gold and only a little bit of the cool blue. And then I'm going to add some of just the cool blue straight. Ooh, that nearly slipped out my little Donnies. I'm sort of wanting to leave a bit of negative space in the centre there. Now I was gonna add some orange, but I think I will not. But I am gonna add, had it mixed up in here a while. It's my Very Delicious colour, which is a very deep plummy colour, and it's just mixed with Floetrol. My pouring ingredients and how I mix my paint is all in the drop down box underneath this video if you're looking. Also my suppliers. I have now got, I'm excited. I've got an Amazon, US Amazon storefront with my acrylic pouring needs and some of my favourite things there too. So have a look in that. That's going to be a link there too for the US people. This is the white, titanium white by Amsterdam with just the Floetrol in. So here you go, let's give this a little go. Can't see where I've put my paints now. There is no, oh wow, 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 look at that. That's pretty unbelievable. Perhaps I shouldn't use the same duva. Just nice and slow. Wow. I will bring the camera down for a close-up because those are delicious. And I suppose what I'll do with this finished draw liner is pop it straight into my bucket of soapy water when I've finished with it. That is unbelievably gorgeous. Just look at those cells. You see? Looky look. They're just beautiful. Very nice. Oh, so here we go. I did do that side, yes. Oh, getting an old lady brain. I keep forgetting things. But my younger friends say that they've got the same problem too, so it just is a sign of the times, I guess. Okie doke. Let's do this one. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Well, this is getting messy now. That is absolutely gorgeous. Just going to pop this into the soapy water. Grab myself a cloth. Okay, it's so handy to have a sink in your area that you're painting in for sure. So you can either do the sides now or you can do them after the painting's dry if you want to go right round the very sides in just one colour, whether it be white or blue. But this has got a lot of paint that's stripped over the edge, so I will just tap it with my fingers and it covers nicely, leaves a nice effect. So that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to just give my whiz over with the heat wand and burst any bubbles. I'm leaving the centre like that because it is not all dead straight or anything. So I'm going to leave it like that and I'm just going to add some embellishments in it. It's good. This is with just the skewer, just dragging it through. So I'm bringing a bit of colour through the white. You could swipe it through. You don't have to have any, obviously you don't have to have anything. It's your art room, your rules, your way. So whatever your heart desires. I just think that sort of breaks it up and softens it a little bit. But wow, I'll just bring you down and have a look at these cells. Wow, look at this. Wowzers trousers, they are absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, really icy kind of looking, and it's glistening because it had the metallics in with the blue, remember, and the golden blue. Looks like a little creature there. But look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. The colours are phenomenal. Phenomenal. Wow, 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 wow. Well, there you go. How easy was that? Remember, my pouring medium, what I did to mix the paints, is in the drop down box. All my supplies are there. Have a check on my Amazon store. So if you click underneath this video on the title, the drop down box should just drop straight down with all the information you need to know. So thanks so much for joining me again on this wondrous journey. So tell me if you think the silicone draw liners worked for a swipe. I think it was a tick, tick, tick. All good. So until tomorrow, my lovely people, please take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely, please call a friend or a relly or a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. Thinking about you all. And I will be back tomorrow. So bye for now.